of them. And this guy, he's like his father, pied and checkered. Very beautiful. And this guy is like his father, Tom. It's a Jensen strain. So he's 21 days young. He's 21 days young. Beautiful. Then I have the Cobalt bloodline from Changezi. So one came blue bar and this guy came black checkered because of the mother, but I like it. Beautiful young bird, huh? And then I have youngest among all of these young birds. He's the youngest one. The pied I just showed is a sibling of this young bird. They survive in minus 21 degrees and minus 29 degrees. It's minus 15 now. Of course it's cold, but they will survive. They will survive. Beautiful young bird.